Welcome to this atomclip mechanic series. This atomclip shows you a low-cost 3D printed robotic arm. You can build a robotic arm for about 8 to 10 euros. It's a free design for non-profit use. This small robotic arm uses low-cost sg90 hobby servos. You can control the robot with any microcontroller that has PWM support. A popular and easy to use platform is Arduino. Here's a little demo. This demo runs an animation. The robot looks at the ball and decides to pick it up, and then it will drop the ball into the tube. So now it's very happy that it succeeded, and please give it an applause. And thank you, audience, for the applause. Here's a close-up view of the gripper, picking up the ball and dropping it into the tube. In this demo I will show you how you can puppeteer a robot. In the white robot I removed the motors and I read out the angle of the joint with the servo potentiometer. So now I can puppeteer the robot and record some action for the robot to perform. So let's try if I can pick up this ball. It's not easy with one hand, but it will do for now. And I will drop it in the tube, like in the previous demo. So as you can see, the robot exactly follows the motion of the puppeteer robot. So, okay, that's will do for now. So, thanks for watching. See the next videos for building the robotic arm, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.